Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this brilliant Toyota Prius 1.8 VVT-h 8.8kWh Excel CVT. Now this vehicle has currently done 71,344 miles and it's finished in the colour Super White. Now this Prius comes with 4 previous services. It does sit nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This Prius is a plug-in hybrid. You have your charging point here on the driver's side to the rear. You also have the chargers which you can find in the boot. In the boot here you will find 360 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,204 with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your gorgeous black leather interior with the contrasting white stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel moving around to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. On the steering wheel here you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system. To the right here you've got controls for the display in the instrument cluster as well as your cruise control. As you can see here, you have your driver assist display, your vehicle messages and your driver assist features, including your blind spot monitoring. There's also your pre-collision assist and also your lane departure warning system. You can also turn the parking sensors on and off here. You also have your information. You can also see navigation, audio and climate information on the display here. You also have a heads-up display which will show you driving data displayed on the road so you can keep concentrated. Here you have your button for the heads-up display as well as your park assist feature. You do have the option of parallel parking or the back-in parking to make parking as easy as possible for you. Simply select the side you wish to park on using the indicator. In the centre of the dashboard here you have your touchscreen infotainment system. Now this system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth and Miracast for connecting and playing your own music. On the system you also have Bluetooth telephone connectivity for safely making hands-free phone calls while you're driving. In the apps menu you have the option of your in-car apps where you can download them on the eStore, and there's also MirrorLink through Wi-Fi and USB. Moving on now, you do have your navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. On the system you also have your information. Here you can see the energy monitor for your hybrid system, past trip data as well as trip information. In the setup menu you have access to vehicle and system settings here. This Prius comes with a rear camera as well to give you a 180-degree view to the rear. Below the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. Below this you have your automatic gear selector, and next to this you'll also find your driving modes. You do have normal, power mode and eco mode, which change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience. You also have your EV City, and you can change between a hybrid vehicle and full electric. You do have a wireless phone charger here so you can charge your compatible device up very easily. You also have heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those cold days. You have the choice of high and low temperature.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.